how to make a super easy poppy bowl from air drying clay or salt dough.
So a bowl of air drying clay, you need a bowl like this one with some plastic in it, something to make shapes, circles with. I think we're going to end up using this glass because we're going to make a slightly smaller one. For this one, a large glass is really good. Something to roll with, a rolling pin, but you can use a glass or something similar, or you can actually flatten it with your hands, a toothpick, and then later you're going to need some paints.
Begin by rolling out your air drying clay. It should be about 1/2 centimetre to centimetre thicker, is probably better than thinner. Use your glass or other stencil to make 3 circular shapes. It doesn't matter if your circles aren't perfect, we can still use them. Let's undo them and smoothen the edges.
You can smooth them down a bit with your hands. You want to have a go at that? Right, take the bowl. You want to put your first one in and you put it against this side. Okay, like that. Do you want to do it? Right there. Get the plastic in as possible. Here we go. Then you get the next one. Maybe like third. Yeah, that's okay. Good. Yeah, just a minute. Like, let's just arrange that slightly. And then the last one goes over. Yeah. Okay, so that's your basic poppy shape. And then you need to roll a ball. Do it over in the camera so people can see it. Roll a little ball like this. Roll a ball. And then whilst Pipsqueak does that, I'm just going to smoothen this down so you've got nice smooth edges. Okay, we've got your ball. And squish it in the middle. Just flatten it. Okay, let's see. Can you have a look at it? What do you reckon? Does that make a good poppy centre?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can squash it down gently. And then
we put the holes in.
Yeah, so I'm just going to close this up a bit. Yeah, so then what you can do, that's just a little extra. Now all I'm doing now is just flattening it a bit so that it is really a bowl shape and things don't fall out down the side of the bowl. So now you can put little holes in. So there we go, little flower, and we're going to let it dry. Now I'm going to put some acrylic paints. We like using System 3. Either just do all the red first, let it dry, mind that you don't get that on your hand, and then add the black at the very end, or you can do it all in one go.
Here's the final bowl again. As mentioned, they would be great for Memorial Day or Remembrance Sunday, but also make great gifts.